There is a quote that I think more people need to resonate with. They need to internalize this. And this is, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. And yesterday in the crypto market, we got hit with a bunch of fear. I'm sure a lot of people have had, some fear in SHIB for a while. But what we saw was this huge drop off in the Bitcoin fear greed index, dropping all the way from 51 down to 30, basically entering the fear area. And these are levels we haven't seen since September of 2023. Now, do I think we're in even a very close place to where we were in September of 2023? No, we're not. Not even close. All right. But sentiment around BTC has fallen to that range. Now, this obviously came on BTC dropping down into this mid 58K range. And that's obviously where we got our bounce. We've kind of recovered since then. And go figure, a bunch of whales actually put in buy orders at 58.5. And guess what? They hit. They got their positions. Good for them, right? Took advantage when there was fear in the market. Now, what's cool about this, guys, is that SHIB actually came out of this shining like a top. And what I mean is, when we look at SHIB charts here, we didn't experience even close to a similar retracement as BTC. In fact, we dropped down into the mid 4016 range and subsequently rebounded. We weren't down there very long. All right. In fact, most of the day we were in that 4017 range. Now, right now, we sit at about 4017, and some people might look at this and say, oh, yeah, we've just been dropping and blah, blah, blah. And what people need to look at is what SHIB has done versus BTC. Yesterday was a very important moment for the market because even as BTC bled, we saw alts stay resilient. Shiba Inu stayed resilient. We saw a lot of this capital actually bleed over to alts. And a big indicator of this is look at this SHIB BTC chart. You can see that SHIB actually gained a bit of dominance versus Bitcoin yesterday. In fact, when we look at the last 7 days for SHIB in this chart, we have outpaced BTC on 5 of them. All right. So over the last 7 days, it's been financially better to own SHIB over BTC. Think about that. Okay. Now, why this is important is it means that we're starting to see resilience in alts that we haven't seen earlier in the cycle. And what that is a big indicator of, this alts outpacing BTC dominance shedding in a big way. It is an indication of alt season. Alt season is here. It's beginning. Okay. Now, this doesn't mean straight up into the right. And I know that I've seen some comments and questions about, oh yeah, do we have more pain? Are we going to keep dropping? And frankly, people don't know, right? I've seen some people with 100% confidence say, oh yeah, there's more pain coming. And what I have to post is this. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? This market cycle is very, very similar to other ones in the past. Yes, we had the early surge. We had BTC breaking its all-time high. We had retail money enter a little early, but everything else, time standpoint, what we're doing at this point in time during the year of the halving, it's all the same. All right. The price break for BTC was completely irrelevant. And what that means is that these following months should be very good. This should be the kickstart for everything beginning to take off. Now, I said that this is going to be a week where I'm buying 100%. All right. This dominant shift in BTC, these alts starting to outpace BTC, that is that point where we may have, in fact, seen this BTC dominance top. All right. We may start seeing alts, even if BTC slides, they may be more resilient than Bitcoin. All right. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. This is what I'm doing. When we look at cycles past, this exact same thing has played out every single time. And apart from black swan events, I don't know if BTC goes lower. All right. Remember what I talked about yesterday, historic week for BTC. BTC is going to try to close the week above 61.6. And it's an important point, guys. It's our bull market support band. And if BTC does fall and close below this, right? We're below it right now. But if we close the week below it, it'll be the first time it's ever happened outside of a black swan event. Okay. And maybe people count, the Mt. Gox news as that, but I really don't think it is. And I think it's just kind of one of these last shakeouts, these bear traps. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if, and I'll get into this in another video, it wouldn't surprise me if a bunch of short positions filled in right above here and they're on the verge of getting liquidated. This is a time to be excited and take advantage. That's what I'm doing. People can do what they want, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.